In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your QuickBooks email in just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating to a new primary email address or just ensuring your account details are current, following these steps will make the process quick and straightforward. First things first, you'll need to navigate your way to the QuickBooks website, so start by opening your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the home screen. Now take a look at the top right corner of the QuickBooks page. That's where you'll find the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking the sign in button, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Here you should type in the email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. If you have your details saved or automatically filled in by your browser, go ahead and use those. If you happen to have forgotten your password, simply follow the forgot password link to recover it. Once you have successfully entered your details, click the sign in button to gain access to your account. Once logged in, you're going to look for the settings. You'll typically find this by clicking on the gear icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks interface. This icon is your gateway to all the customization and settings options within QuickBooks, so give it a click. Now that you're under settings, you'll want to look for the option labeled Account and Settings. Clicking on this will take you further into the specific account settings where you can make necessary changes related to your account with QuickBooks. Inside Account and Settings, you'll see several tabs, but the one we are interested in today is the Contact Info tab. This is where all the information related to how QuickBooks contacts you is managed. To proceed, you'll want to click on this tab. You should now see a section dedicated to your email address. This is where you can update to your new email address. Click on the current email address displayed and you'll usually find a field that allows you to edit your email. Carefully type in the new email address that you wish to associate with your QuickBooks account. As you enter it, make sure there are no typos or errors. It's always a good idea to double check the email before moving on to avoid any miscommunication or issues in accessing your account in the future. After entering the new email address, look for the Save button, which is often located toward the bottom of the section. Clicking this button is crucial because it confirms and applies the changes you just made. Waiting for a confirmation message or email is a good practice to ensure that everything has been updated successfully. You've now updated your QuickBooks account with a new email address. This change should reflect immediately, but in some cases, QuickBooks might send a confirmation email to the new address to verify the change. It's wise to check your inbox after updating the email address to complete any additional verification steps, if required, to ensure everything is correctly processed. As we wrap up, I just want to highlight that keeping your QuickBooks email address up to date is important for maintaining account security, staying informed about your transactional activities, and receiving timely updates from QuickBooks. It's also essential if you use this as your primary contact method for business communications related to QuickBooks. By following these steps, altering your QuickBooks email should be simple and stress-free. This straightforward method ensures your account information is both accurate and secure, giving you peace of mind when managing your financial data on QuickBooks. Thank you for joining me today and for sticking around. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to explore the QuickBooks help section or reach out to their support for more detailed guidance. Until next time, take care and continue managing your finances efficiently.